Hi guys, myself Jagram Chaudhary, Principal, National Inter Kalyadar in Dharamau, to express my views about New Education Policy 2020. In this, I will discuss about NEP 2020 in several headings. What is, at first I would like to discuss what is New Education Policy 2020. Secondly, the aim of New Education Policy 2020, and at last, why it is important. Though it could be divided into several points which has been shown in this new policy, if it's implemented honestly. Let us discuss about what is New Education Policy. It has been introduced on July 29, 2020. NEP aims making India a global knowledge superpower. It has proposed several structure changes from primary to higher education. Secondly, I have to discuss what is its aim. NEP aims to revamping all aspects of the Indian education structure. It aims primary educations by 2024 and provide fundamental literacy and numeracy for all. At last, I have to discuss what is the most important. It has been introduced to provide major transformations in education, increased focus on new academic skills and increased inclusions through language diversity and course fidelity. It is also important because there were no change over education policy for 34 years. Now, I have to discuss about dropping out and what the main problem in India, why why students are dropping out. Of an initial enrollment of 100 students on an average, only 70 finish school in India. One of the primary goal of this NEP 2020 is to ensure that enrolled children are attending school and not to drop out. The GER for grades 6 to 8 was 90.9%, while for grade 9 to 10 and 11 12, and it was only 79% and 56.5% respectively.